Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a booking widget and embed it on your website. Let's get started. First, open the Widgets page and search for Booking. Click on the Appointment Booking card. Enlarge the template preview so it's easier to see, then choose your template. For this tutorial, I'll select this one and click Choose this template. Now, let's set up the available times. I'll create 2 time slots, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. I'll repeat these times for all the other days. Next, I'll set a 15-minute gap between meetings. Allow up to 10 people to reserve in the same time slot. Allow reservations only at least 1 day in advance, and set the maximum booking limit to 3 months ahead. Let's customize the booking pop-up. Go to Settings. Here you can add a title, set the meeting duration. I'll choose 45 minutes. Activate default text. Deactivate Hide from section. Make sections show or hide. Set them inline or hide the header. Whatever fits your style. Now I'll change the logo and set the maximum width. I'll edit the header. Then activate the text section. Here I'll add some text, delete the extra info, and update the phone number. Moving on to the calendar settings. I'll make the week start on Monday, adjust the roundness of the day blocks, hide the time title, switch to a 24-hour format, and tweak the time style. Next is the form. Click Edit Form. I'll remove the last input field because it's not needed, make the email field required, and disable the requirement for the phone number. You can also set a redirect link after submission or simply show a thank you message. Once done, close the form editor. In form settings, I'll set the form roundness to small, make the button wide, and adjust the background for selected date and time to 0.1 opacity. Now let's change the colors. I'll set the theme color, calendar header color, and form button background color all to match. In the Layout section, I'll change the pop-up animation. For the toggle button, I'll edit the label, choose Standard Mode, adjust the roundness, make it flat style, and match the background color to the theme. I only want the pop-up to appear when the user clicks the button, so I'll disable Open Pop-up by default. You can also integrate with Google Calendar and add custom CSS if needed. Once everything looks good, click Create Widget, copy the code, go to your website, add a custom HTML block, paste the code, and save. Let's test it. Click the button, the pop-up appears. Choose a date and time, enter your details, and click Confirm. Finally, back in the Fouita dashboard, go to Submissions to see the list of reservations, including the date, time, time zone, duration, and more details. Thank you for watching.